A factory reset restores your Spectrum router to its original manufacturer settings. This erases custom configurations like Wi-Fi passwords and network names. You should consider a factory reset if you're experiencing persistent connectivity problems, have forgotten your admin credentials, or suspect a security breach. Spectrum now offers enhanced firmware, especially for models like the E31T2V1, Wi-Fi 6E, and RAT2V1K, featuring improved reset mechanisms that securely wipe personal data. Spectrum's app and website also guide users through remote resets for supported models, reducing the need for physical access and aiding in proactive assistance with AI-driven diagnostics that can recommend resets based on connectivity issues. There are two primary methods to reset your Spectrum router. The first is via the reset button, and the second is through the admin page. For the reset button method, first locate the small, recessed reset button on the router's back or bottom. Use a paperclip to press and hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds until the power light flashes or turns off. The router will then reboot in default mode. For the admin page method, first connect a device to the router's network. Navigate to 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 in a browser. Log in with the default credentials, typically admin, password, or Spectrum for newer models. Navigate to Advanced Settings, then Administration, then Factory Reset. Confirm the action and wait for the router to reboot. Remember that while resets address router issues, they might require re-entering Spectrum account details for reconnection. It's crucial to consult your router's manual or Spectrum support site for model-specific instructions, as Spectrum uses various OEMs like Sagemcom and Technicolor.